Good morning, children. I am Jaibala Rao, and I am here to take you all through the uh, the A word families are what we are learning, correct? Now, today we are going to learn two new word families. All right. Now, which are these word families? The AD word family and the AP word family. Are you all excited to learn these word families? Yes? All right. Let's move on. Now, before we start, let's recall these word sounds. All right. Now, what sound does the letter A make? It makes the sound correct. Ah, I know you all know this. And the letter D makes the sound D. So the AD words make the sound A D. All right. All right. Now let's see which words these are, the AD words. All right. Now I want you all to sound out the letters and say the word. I know you all are a pro at this. All right, children. Let's do this. B A D. B A D. Bad. What is bad? Some bad action, bad behavior, like these two boys fighting. That's bad, correct? All right, let's move on. Ah, D A D. D A D is dad. Another word for father. Correct? All right, let's move on. You all know what to do. Correct? Sound out the letters and say the word. L A D. L A D. Lad. Lad means a boy. Okay. So another word for boy is lad. Let's move on. P A D. P A D is pad. The notepad that we used to write on. Correct? All right. Let's move on. S A D. S A D. What's the word? Sad. I know. Why are we sad today? No, we are very happy because we are learning new words. All right, let's move on. Now, let's sound out. We are going to learn another word family I told you. Correct? One was the AD word family and the other is the AP word family. Now, let's sound out the letters. All right. A, P, A, P, A. So, the AP words make the sound app at the end. All right. Let's see what the AP words are. Sound out the letters and say the word. You all know. K A P. K A P. I know you all know this one. It's the brother of the hat that we learnt before. Her at and K A P. Cap. Correct. We wear it when we go outside in the sun. We all have one. Yes. All right. Let's move on. M A P. Map is map. Very good. Map. So it shows us places. It tells us where to go. All right. Let's go on to the next word. Are we ready? Okay. All right. Now this time I'm not going to help you all. You all are doing it all on by yourself. All right. What word is this? It's the letter L. The letter L makes the sound. Correct. L. L apple is very good. Lap. Yes. We all love to sit on our mama's lap, na? Sleep on our mama's lap. The most comfortable place in the world. Correct? Yes. Let's move on. What is this? N apple. N apple is nap. Yes. Nap The one that we have in the afternoons? Yes, yes. Mama tells us to sleep. Correct. Nap, that is. All right, let's move on, which is the next word. What is this? T, a, p. T, apple. Tap? Yes, we all have one in our homes, right? That's where the water comes from, the tap. Good job. Let's move on. All right. Now we're going to do an activity. All right. Now in this activity, I'm going to see if you'll remember all the words from the AD and the AP word families. Both we have learned, correct? All right. Now what you'll have to do in this activity is you'll have to guess the words, all right, which is what we do always. But now I know y'all are smart and y'all have got this, you know how to do this, right? We know how to read the words, correct? So now you are also going to tell me which word family the word belongs to, all right? Okay, let's move on. Ready for the first one? What is that? Which three-letter word is that? Correct. B, a, d. Bad. Correct. And it belongs to the AD word family. Perfect. Let's move on. Now you all understood what you all need to do. All right. What word is this? We wear it when we go out in the sun. Yes. K, a, very good. And it belongs to the AP word family. Correct, children. Next, what word is that? Let's see if we know the answer. Correct. And dad. Another name for father. Now, which word family does it belong to? Correct. It belongs to the AD word family. Good job, children. Let's move on. What word is that? And which family does it belong to? Give it some time. I know you all know. Sound out the letters to say the word. La, a, d. Lad. Very good. And it belongs to the AD word family. Good job, children. Let's move on. Oh, which one is this? It's showing me so many exotic places. What word is it? Correct. It is ma, a, p, map. And it belongs to the AP word family. Now, let's look at the other word. Which word is this? Afternoon. Sleeping is called a... Good job, children. Na, a, nap. Very good. And it belongs to the AP word family. Very good. Let's move on. What word is this? I remember we take notes in this. What is it called? What is it called? Do you know? I can't remember. Very good. It is called pad. Pad. Very good. And it belongs to the, yes, AD word family. Let's move on. Oh, I know this is the coziest place in the world. I love sleeping on my mama's. Yes, lap. Let's sound out the word. L, A, P, L, A, P. And it belongs to the, yes, AP P word family. Good job, children. Let's move on. Few more to go. What word is this? Tell me quickly, what word is this? Correct. Sir, and good job. Y'all didn't make me sad. Y'all made me happy. Y'all know all the words. Now, tell me which word family does this belong to? It belongs to the AD word family. Good job, children. Now, I think we have one more word left to go. Let's see. What word is this? Water comes from it. What is it called? Correct. It's called the tap. Apple. Good job. And it belongs to the AP word family. Very good, children. Let's move on. Very good. Y'all did. All right. So, I hope you all had fun learning your AP and your AD words. This is Jaibala Rao signing off on behalf of Rejoice International School. Thank you.